Rain in your gear, dust on your tools, random stuff sliding around every time you brake. Sound familiar? A tonneau cover fixes all three. Keeps the bed dry, clean, and organized, and honestly makes your Titan look a whole lot sharper too. Soft roll-up, hard folding, retractable. I've got the best of each type right here. Links in the description. Let's get after it. Starting at number 5 with the UnderCover, a one-piece hard shell that weighs only 58 pounds, which makes it one of the lightest hard covers on the market. The single twist lock in the center controls latches on both sides simultaneously. One motion, both sides secured. UV protected, scratch-resistant composite material with a textured black finish, full perimeter seals, and a rear spoiler that adds a clean aerodynamic look. Made in the USA, backed by a 3-year guarantee. If you want the simplicity of a hard cover without the weight penalty, this is the pick. At number 4, Syneticusa brings a retractable hard aluminum cover that holds up to 500 pounds when evenly distributed, so you can actually stand on it if needed. It slides back smoothly to give you full bed access, seals tight against weather with integrated rails and a drainage system, and the powder-coated aluminum slats resist corrosion and UV damage. Bolt-on install runs 60 to 90 minutes. One heads up. Drainage tubes require drilling small holes, so factor that into your install plan. Low-profile look, solid security, serious payload capacity. Number 3 is the BAKFlip, America's best-selling truck bed cover, just updated. The Gen 3 brings a 22% strength increase over the previous version through alloy-based construction with high-density polymer cores. The auto-latching system locks the cover every time it closes, and the redesigned lock components add serious resistance to forced entry. Redesigned rubber perimeter seals and a longer tailgate seal mean better water protection than ever assembled in Missouri, backed by a 5-year warranty. The benchmark for folding covers. Coming in at number 2, the TruXedo TruXport is the go-to soft roll-up for Titan owners who want reliable weather protection without breaking the bank. The Sure Tension control system keeps the cover drum tight across the bed with no manual adjustment needed. It self-regulates so edges never curl or flap at highway speed. The RTX Grip multi-tiered hook and loop system combined with an auto slam latch keeps it locked down in all conditions. Opens from either side of the tailgate with one motion. Built-in crossbars handle heavy snow load. Assembled in the USA in Yankton, South Dakota. And the top spot goes to Tyger Auto. 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl with aircraft-grade aluminum frames. That's a soft cover built like it has something to prove. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars fold up with the cover so you never have to remove them for bed access. No drill installation, stainless steel clamps. Fits models with or without the utility track system. One note, if you have an over-the-bed rail bed liner, you'll need to cut small holes for the clamps. Backed by a 5-year warranty for U.S. customers. The best value-to-quality ratio on this list. 5 covers, 5 different ways to protect your Titan's bed. From a lightweight hardshell to a retractable slab that holds 500 pounds to the tightest soft roll-up on the market. Whatever your budget or use case, something on this list fits. All the links are in the video description. Go take a look. Found this useful? Subscribe. More Titan content is already in the pipeline.